Welcome back, Kafukuba fans. I'm starting to get motivated for another restoration project on an old tube radio record player. This is an Admiral, but I didn't want to take this on with the holidays right around the corner. And then I remembered I had this little doozy up here, and since I've been researching Tesla coils, I thought I'd give you a little sneak peek into what might be my near-term project. So, this used to be in my father's basement, and I think he salvaged it from his mother and father's house, and I think I'm the only one in the family that knows it exists, and I took it because I had an interest in it. It's a Master Violet Ray. That's for wiping the rods. That has the instructions. This was an old electrotherapy device that had all kinds of claims that what it could do for your health. And I'm not sure what year this was from, but they were popular in the turn of the century, early 1900s, and then later in the 1950s, 60s, they were banned, and all the companies were sued, and they had to destroy their devices. Oh look, Frank Krause, factory representative. Still has the instructions. Now this one is the wand. So it has an asbestos cord on it. My grandparents took care of everything. They bought stuff and probably never used it, or were very miserly with how they used it. 20 watts, 115 volts. The Master Electric Company, Chicago. And this asbestos cord seems to be in pretty good shape, although it's really stiff. And this looks like a fused adapter. Looks like they gave you the option to plug this baby in there and plug it directly into your fuse box or something. Probably an old electrical fitting. That's how they used to do things in the old days, maybe. I don't know. And then these are the wands. I assume I see some kind of electrode in there for propagating the sparks and the high frequency energy. I don't know if they're filled with gas, but I assume they would be. This would be a comb fitting for brushing your greasy hair. Not exactly sure what this is. I'm assuming it plugs in like anything else, but it doesn't have a glass tube. I don't know. I'll read the instructions. And here's the case. Still in relatively decent condition. Isn't that gorgeous? So some of the boxes had the actual electronics in them, and the wand was separate. This wand has the Tesla coil inside of it. And here's some of the other models that might have been available at the time. It's funny how they sued the companies and made them shut down as quack science, but now all kinds of electrotherapy devices are available in today's day and age. Now, I remember I plugged this in at least 10, 15 years ago and it still worked. I'm guessing the capacitor in here has gone bad, just like it does with all the old electronics. But I think I'm going to try to see if I can take this apart. I don't know if it's hermetically sealed or permanently sealed in this Bakelite wand, but isn't that gorgeous, this Bakelite wand? Oh look, UL listed. So I don't know, maybe this unscrews, and that's probably just a spark gap. Or that's just the on-off switch maybe? Or maybe that adjusts the spark gap in there that makes the power. I don't know that this is going to come off. I'm a little worried that I'm not going to be able to get inside here to perform any restorations without it turning into a shit show. Maybe the project is already over, I don't know. But that was going to be my next project. but if I can't get in there, I'm not sure I'm willing to destroy it. So I'll post this video and think about it. Thanks for tuning in.